So with employee education, onboarding, skill development, professional development, especially in the space of marketing, sales, or customer service, we all know that the tools that you can use, the strategies or the best practices to extract the most value you can, they change so frequently and so commonly. Something like SEO, for example, what the best practices were this time last year for SEO are probably drastically different this year, and they'll again be drastically different next year. And so taking advantage of all of these learning platforms, free education, on-demand education, it's so critical because you need yourself and your team to be fully up to speed with best practices and best of breed tactics and technologies. And so, it's going to improve your effectiveness as marketers, as salespeople, as service providers. It's going to improve the efficiency in which you can do the necessary tactics or the right operations for your business. And at the end of the day, there's probably also a layer of self-actualization and a feeling of successfulness. If you're totally up to speed with the right tools, technology, strategies, and you're very skilled at what you do, I think you'll also have a layer of self-actualization, and I think that's also critically important. Now, while education, upskilling, training, it's critically important in the onboarding stage of an employee's journey with your company, right? They're new, they need to be brought up to speed. But I think education and professional development never should end. I think it should be infused in your team's culture. So while your education component is probably front-loaded in onboarding, it should be something that's shared and celebrated team-wide on an ongoing basis. I think cadence would be, different for every business or every company out there, but dedicating time monthly, quarterly, weekly, whatever it is, but making sure that training, development, using learning resources collectively as part of your culture, that's setting your team up for success long term.